These are all the books your daughter needs. Textbooks, practical books, past question booklets for UTME and SSC.
So, how much is everything?
Just 70,000 naira.
Admin, 70,000 bawo. Please shift these books. My daughter will use ExamGuide.
ExamGuide. What textbook is that?
Look here. Past questions. Remove it. ExamGuide has over 30 years of past questions with correct explanations. Your books only have 7 years. Textbooks. Remove them. ExamGuide has comprehensive lesson notes and video tutorials of all subjects, all available offline. Physics practical book. Remove it. The app has virtual physics lab. She can run real experiments there and get accurate results right on her device.
Plus, with ExamGuide, I can create study plans, cover my entire scheme of work easily daily, and my parents or teachers could track my progress using their phones or computers. It even has an AI tutor, games, and so much more.
Wait. Is this an online school?
No, sir. It's an app.
No app can compete with textbooks that have produced top scorers.
Sir. ExamGuide has been producing top scorers every year. In 2024, Michael, a student of Hallel College, Port Harcourt, used his ExamGuide and scored 360 in UTME. And Emmanuel, a student of Air Force Secondary School, Port Harcourt, scored 354 using ExamGuide. In 2025, Tobe, a UNEC Secondary School student, Enugu, scored 351 using ExamGuide. Top scorers everywhere using it.
Get ExamGuide Practice app now for just 4,000 naira. Runs on Windows, Androids, iPhone, and Chrome OS. Download from www.examguide.com, Play Store, or Apple Store, and learn differently.